It's been out of our mind to actually support and enhance our corporate social responsibility by imparting the youth, giving back to all those communities that have actually started in the state, that have entertained us these years and have accommodated us in the Agbeyewa farm. We also believe that what we are doing in Agbeyewa is centered and pillared around the youth and women. But we pick football sport in particular to actually begin to grow our youth in the field of football.
Sports is not only for recreation. Sports is business. Sports is employment. Sports is everything. It's tourism. So, and sports, most importantly, is a social agency for bringing people together. I'm sure the winners of today, the children from Adiko, Aramoko, and those from Igbogo Commercial, they probably are meeting for the first time. And if not for an occasion like this or an event like this, they probably would not have met.
If you look at Arsenal, Manchester, and most of the players you have around in the international competitions today, this is where they started, and we are doing the same thing through Agbeyewa.
I don't know that we can win this cup, but God is good, and thank God for everything.
As already envisioned by the chairman of Agbeyewa Farm, who is Mr. Agbeyewa Cup, is actually to catch their young at the beginning. The past 3 years we have been organizing it. Agbeyewa Cup believes so much in the youth, empowerment of the youth. And what we are getting to, when we are doing this, is to actually have what is called very soon Agbeyewa Football Academy.